It's cool to have a huge screen on your living room, but sometimes could be too expensive. Then I have a solution for you. Mini projector from Amazon. It's a very small package. We have a manual and we do have accessories. A lot of them. That's cool. Okay, I think something left in the box. Oh, cleaning. Okay, so stand. That's nice. Power brick. HDMI cable. And remote control. Black remote. Nice. And the device itself. Oh, it's tiny. We have USB, HDMI, headphone jack, power, and ear blaster. I've placed the device on the table. Fan noise. Good. This projector is quite clever because from 100 centimeters to the wall, it will give you 100 centimeters screen, which is 40 inches, and it's very bright, even with the light on. Impressive. 150 centimeters to the wall, so 1.5 meters, and the screen will have 1.5 meters. It's not so bright anymore, but still bright enough even when the light is on, and I like that a lot. 1.5 meters. 200 centimeters to the wall, and we are getting 200 centimeter screen, which is 80 inches. But now I think that's the limit with a light on, because the edges are getting a bit dim. What if we switch the light off completely? Now, all right. Like you can see, or maybe you don't see, maybe we will have to bring the camera a bit closer. Then you will see that the edges are a little bit dim, just a little bit. Not too much, but you can have a wired connection for the EOS USB. I have connect a USB to it. This is USB 2.0, and we can search for the photos. Oh, one of my pictures. That's cool. That's cool. And with HDMI, you can connect Android device or any other device, smartphone. And for example, if I go to YouTube, I have all kinds of. I've connected a PC to it, and it says Full HD recommended and 150% recommended. Impressive. Crisp image.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
On the device, we do have a shortcut, and you can adjust the screen edges. There's also a keystone on the device, so you can, so it doesn't have to be in front of you. It could be way below or above you. There are many devices in the market, so what's the advantage on this one? Well, definitely build quality, super solid, high quality stands, free tripod, built-in speaker, and fan noise. This could be the most silent small projector in the market. It's extremely quiet. And of course, the price, $56. Come on, $56. But you can say, well, you have a big screen on your back. What is that? That's from $2,000 projector. $2,000, $60. So $60. That's $60. It's a good meal. Instead of good meal, you will have a cool projector for parties and maybe for kids. So yeah, link in the description. That's like that. See you next video. Bye.